Connect. Wait. I gotta get this figured out. This is trash. And now the Wi-Fi is through the roof. Yeah, it's disconnecting, reconnecting, and I'm missing trades because of it. So this is wait for this 2-minute pullback. Did break that where I wanted to get in, but oh well. Stupid, stupid, stupid. Wait for a 2-minute pullback and then I'm entering. Big pullback there. Man, I wanted 50 shares right here, but my Wi-Fi disconnected. A nice little run. So I'm scared to take a trade today because of this Wi-Fi. I really have to figure this out. It's tripping. I'm absolutely getting killed because of it. Absolutely killed. I gotta figure this out. I'm just gonna figure. I'm gonna keep messing with this today. I gotta get this right today. Or actually, let me go and download since he wants to play games. We'll do stream. Let's see about this one. This one's pulling back up quite nicely. You can use this 785 as an out point. Yeah. Looking for that 811. Got in there right there. Now let VWAP get me out. This thing isn't even calculating my position yet. VWAP 772. Go ahead and put that in there. 772. 50 shares. Looking for the 815 to start popping. Looking for the 810s to come back up. Can we get the 810s? That's all I need to see. Pulling back. 8 tens. Add it right there. 75 shares in. Looking for this push through the top. 774, I will be out. Looking for those 15s if possible. Just not seeing it. Looking for the break of the 20s. Nice. 15. Some start popping off up here. If it can hold up that 30. Can we see the 30? A breach of the 30. $25s. Can we see them? Taking a little bit of profit there. Want to see that 25 come back into play. Not seeing it. Can we see those 13s? 17s, 20s, taking. Oh, come on, man. Push out if you're going to push out. I got 45 shares left. Don't like that weakness. Need to see the 25s. Taking right there. 30 shares left. 20s back up there. Taking a little bit there on this weakness. Taking off right there. Whatever, man. That was one trade, but it's very, very choppy there. Try to play it again. Can we get those 20s up there? Went ahead and jumped out looking for that break back over that 17. Looking, waiting, watching. $11s in there. Looking for those. Yeah, glad I got out where I did. Just not trying to continue. Looking for over the 11s. Looking for the 11s to come back on. Enter right there, small share size. Looking for a push above the 15. 15s. Can we continue? Can we get the 17s up there? 20s. Just not giving me what I'm looking for. Need to see the 15s. Take a little bit off there. Not seeing it. Taking 19, 15 shares left. Can we see the 20s break again? Taking a little bit. 20s. Can we see those 21s? Nice. Double top hit right there. Gotta break. If it doesn't, I'm gonna have to get on down. Taking on this weakness. Gotta break that 25 here. 26s. Ugh, it's nasty. Red making me want to get down. Any red on this one, I'm gonna go ahead and take it. Come on. Push out of there, get that 28 up there. Nice, taking. Ooh, if it shows me red, I'm out. This one's holding up a little bit too slow. Yep, out of there right there. Whatever. Small little trades. Not giving me a lot to work with. AHPI. 23 is coming back into play. Jumped in right there for the break. Nice. Selling a little bit. Can we get a little bit more? Ooh, come on now. Stop playing. Let's get that 30 back up there. Past the 20, I got to be out. 27, 29. 29s, 30s, 31s, 33s, 35s. Taking some profit, taking profit, taking. Taking all right there. Looking for more trades over the 35. 35, 36s. Not seeing those 36s stay on the bid. 20s. Not seeing it at all. Took a little bit of profit off of there. Man, I was nervous trading this one because the Wi-Fi has been going in and out on me. All right, can we get the 35s back up there or no? All right, 20s cracking, backing off of that position. Whatever. Yeah, I took some money, some lunch money, just enough to get me a little Subway sandwich. Let me see, $7. Yep. It just wouldn't continue, and I already knew it was extended, so I just played small on all of those takes. Lunch money, that'll pay for my lunch today. Oh well, I'd rather trade this one that has no shelves or anything than the other one. But I just didn't see it continuing, and when I saw weakness, I was just jumping out. Because I don't know how far this one wants to dive on me. Just wait for another setup. But it is an extremely low float. Giving a little dive off point, so I'm glad I did take where I did. Just playing it very quick, taking the profits that it gave me. And the thing that I like about this one is it's a little bit cheaper, so I don't have to burn. Like if I was trading at $19 stock, I couldn't have did that at all. I would have got blown through. Would have burned all my capital. Let's see if it can start to hold that $8. Man, my Wi-Fi has been going in and out all day. I've been struggling. I was scared to hit the buy button right there. Cause man, this thing will cut out in a second. New York heartbeat, and I'm out. You need to find a way to do all of the background pages for your book. You mean like artwork? Or what do you mean? Artwork. I know a couple of people that do graphic design. What kind of art are you looking for? Are you looking for like uh or actually what kind of book? Is it like more what is the book about? Is it about your life or what? How kids books have like a standard background picture. Okay, okay, got you. And the main pictures change. So you kind of want a border image on each page. So kind of okay, I see what you're saying. Do I know anyone that's into that type of graphic design? I know some graphic designers um that can definitely accommodate that. AHPI dipping down there. Let me think. Like a construction site silhouette. Yeah, I'll have to look around. I'll have to look around to see what I can find. Um, so it turns out me and another team member that is on this contract is not gonna be able to make it on Friday, and of course, we're the most important ones. So they're holding off on that contract for me. I'm gonna have to see what day they want to actually do that contract. They were gonna do it Friday, but I'm gonna be busy and I need to be back over to my side later on that day. So we'll see. I'll let y'all know probably to what's tomorrow? Thursday. Thursday is tomorrow, so I'll let y'all know. Let y'all know tomorrow what's going down. This thing looks so ugly, but I like it though. Is that a problem? Broke that. It's just not getting any kind of love. AHPI. Nothing else below $10 moving at all. It's only able to scalp just a little bit off of AHPI. Now, what I just did was like the literal form of scalping. It was no holding. There was no hold in the plan. Take what you get. POWW. Oh yeah, this thing sunk down. This thing sunk down. This one almost looks like the one being traded that time. I think it was DTSS. It had a rip like this and came back down. Looks scary though. Right. So getting a nice little sell off. Can we get any more motion upward on AHPI? Or will it fall off the map for today? Um, looks like it's forming a hammer pattern. Yeah, yeah, POWW definitely. I really don't know which way. It just isn't getting much volume right here, so it's kind of hard to tell which way it's gonna go. But we see the overall motion is definitely looking downward. I bet it's some surprise some people right here on this pop up though. 627 up to the 643. I bet that blew some shorts out of there. Let me look at my little scalps on AHPI. Very small. You can see the look at the sizes that I took. Very small because I really didn't trust it. But all green scalps. I don't trust a lot of these stocks, to be honest. They're good at taking money. Let me look at that INDP. Did fade the VWAP. Somebody said it might bounce off of the 20. Kinda, but not really. You got a day trade warning on your Weeble. Can you even scalp on Weeble? Well, I guess if you have the desktop part. INDP lost all of its life. Almost $30 down to the 17. I said that up here, it's got room down to the 17 to get down here, and it did. Definitely did. HPI clapping on down. Can this one give any upward movement? Even though it's moving slow, it's still above the VWAP. So it could give like a little spurt up through that 670, but it's just not moving. That's the only problem. It may not move at all. Any is on its way to test high. Let me go look at any. Oh yeah. Look at this little guy. This one's in my price range. Let's see what I want to do here. We have not seen a red 2-minute in a while. What's up, DB? Yeah, I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna probably have to purchase like a mesh Wi-Fi because there's no way my Wi-Fi is stupid good. Like I get 400, almost 400 downloading and uploading megabytes per second. Okay, so it's looking like it wants to break this 723 level. I could play it small, but I want to see this red pullback real quick. $0.10 on this one. I don't know. Maybe. It is a little choppy. But I need to see a red. I want to see a red pullback here first before I look to get in. A nice little red pullback there. How far can you come down? Like it to challenge the bottom of this body at the 715 level. That'll be dope. 716. Staying above the body of that candle. 714s. Okay. So how much time do you have? You have a minute left. Sometimes one life. It depends on where I'm entering. If I'm playing the top of a move, I don't care what if it's 10 cents or whatever, I will take profit. But if I get in on the bottom, oh yeah. If I get in on the bottom, it didn't give me my it didn't give me what I wanted here. If I get in the dip, then I'm more likely to take a let's see, NSPR here, popping up on my scanner. $4. Let's see what's up with this one. What's the news? No news. Okay. NSPR, let me go and check this, check what's going on with it. Yeah, that's a big little move down there. Doesn't have any kind of news with it. Okay. AHPI came down here, got this 15 minute confirmation, bounced off of this at the 742. I'm still watching it. But it's still below the other EMAs. So that's not good. See where INDP ended up landing. No, wrong one. INDP. All the way back down to $16. Gave back a lot of profit, over half. Half of the profits that it made. HH Watch, INDP, and now buy. Nah, bro. Nah, bro. It's got a little level here. 743 coming on down. What's the SPY looking like now? SPY ripping back up. I mean, just I told Ben this thing tried to come down 4 days in a row. I knew it was gonna rebound. So that means the VIXY is down. Want to see that thing break 20. Just try it a couple of days. 160% decline from the top. So DB, did you short that one? Did you short INDP? Anybody short that one? Because if you shorted that one, you're in the game. This is the one Ben was talking about, BTSC. It's just not trading like something I would like to get into. Let's see, MTTR went down there, popped off the 18, came back up. I think Lauren called that one out earlier. Hypo popping back through. Not seeing a whole lot. That one ended up fading a lot. GMVD. Glad I didn't touch that one. SPR. Oh yeah, this is the one I was watching. Okay. All right. SPR. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What? Okay. Well, it looks like it is time sensitive. They need us today. Let's see if it, I'm gonna see. Maybe it'll be today when I go out there. Oh, Friday afternoon. $3.30. Okay. Where are we at? NSPR. Keep looking away from it. Let's see. Where are the entries? It gave a pullback here on the 449. Let's see if it can retouch that little level. Give a little death tap there. AHPI. Does not look like it wants to come down. I need to see another 2-minute pullback before I enter though. All right, giving a little 2-minute pullback there. Not ready to buy just yet. HPI. All right. Let's go ahead and play the game. Like it wants to get up to 5, pushing 5 right there. 450 up to 5. No, you can't do this. BTCS is nothing. Daniel B, what do you mean? Neither. I my yesterday, so I could post a link. Being made me one out of sarcasm. Like the other comment says. All right. Looking for that nice little brief pullback. Roscoe said the entry was 480. It's a little spicy entry. If that's what you got in it, I'm looking for a little bit more of a pullback on this thing for me to enter. Did close, but this this right here is gonna cause problems. This red candle here. Trying to stay above the body of this candle, which is the 485. Getting a little snappy there. Looking for it to pull back just a bit, because I know it's got some more downside to it. Volume is increasing like I don't know what. All right. Come on down. Give me that nice dip entry here. Looking a little heavy. Will it break down the 90s? There's the dip to the 80s. Let's let it continue come down. Finally giving some more. Let's see. We have 475 and then a 482. Those are weird. Well, the 75 is a $quarter level, but the 82 probably isn't going to hold. Okay, try to go down 1, 2 times. Will it break the bottoms here? 480, bouncing off that level at the 489. This is 3 times trying to go down. So let's see, 495-ish. Could be an entry here. Now just let VWAP play me out. Letting it play. To the 80s. Okay, nice. Holding above that VWAP. 467. Okay, let's look. Like it back up here above the 90s. I'll be taking it. If it can get back into the 90s. 480. Get the 85s back up there. Threes. Ooh, looking at the 15-minute though, I may not want to buy this one right here. Ooh, it's a little dicey. So back over, yeah, the 90s, 91 on the bid. Can we see the 91s? Trying to go down again. Can we see the 79s? Will it break out of the 80s? Okay, nice. Need to see those 85s hold. Hmm. Not seeing it yet. $91, getting that rejection right there. Gotta hold here. Top side is the 89, so I want to see that 91. We get back close to the 90s. See the 85 again. $85 on the bid. Oh yeah, enter right there. Let's see, we will hold the VWAP here. VWAP is at the 468. Want to see that volume pour in here to the 91s. There we go. Added a little bit there. Gonna let VWAP play here. 100 shares in. Looking for the break of this top, if possible. VWAP 469. 469, 468. Got my stop ready to go if it wants to flash down. Can it hold up those 90s? Looking for those 90s. Can we get the buyers over the 90s? $470 is a new out. So 469. Go ahead and move it up. If it can push out here. Looking for those 90s to start to hold. 69. Nice. We can break out, start to take off. Need to see those 94s pop in quickly. Can we break the 5 here? Very tight. Needs to break that 5. Right now, the 475 will be the out. 474. Go ahead and cut this loss down. Come on. Can you hold up VWAP? Can we see those 93s real quick? There we go. Can we get a continuation through the 5? Don't like how it's taking its sweet little time. 85, I'll go ahead and make the out. 85s. Go ahead and put that out in there. If it wants to crash down, I'll be out at the 85. It needs to go here. It needs to get that 95 back up there. It needs to get through that 5 very quickly. $490 will be the next out. But if it cracks down, it's taking too long here. I don't like it. Need to see those 95s quickly. Yeah, it's going to stop me here on this 85 breakdown. Needs to hold up the 90s. If not, I'll be out here. 85 almost got me out. What? Oh, yeah, it got me out. Yeah, I didn't like that. Taking too long to do that 5 break. And then pull back again, maybe for a retry. Go in a little bit smaller. Looking for those 90s to start the hold here for this break of the 5. Not holding up. So we have a top of the 498 there. Kind of got defeated a little bit. Want to see those 90s back up there. Where are those 90s? '89s. Can we get the 90s? Add it right there for the break of the 5. Come on, man. Gotta hold those 90s. Add it right there again for the break of the 5. Can we get it? We'll be out again under the 80. 79. So 79 is my out. If it wants to snap down there to just get me out. Want to see the break of the 5 here. Bottom of this candle is the low of the 87, so 85. 85s. So where I look to move it if it can push up. It's got to get some help here. '98s very quickly. Moving up to the 85 if it pushes out here. Just not enough to get it going. Need to see that 98. Nope. All right, so yeah, 85 is going to be that spot. 84. Needs to pull back up at least to the 93s for me to set it in. Okay. So put it back in right there. Drops below that level, I'll be out. Okay, 5s getting hit there. Can it push to the 510s? Getting a little pushback there. If it breaks down, I'll be out. It means that it was a failure. Bottom of this candle is the 91, so 89. Looking for it to push, get back above the 5s real quick, and I'll move this if possible. Does not look possible. Need those 94s up there. Are the people buying the dip? I don't know. Need to see 95s quite quickly. Okay, so 2 minute. This is the bottom low of the 89 again. Still not able to make the move. Keeping it very, very tight here. Need to see those 95s. Not seeing it coming on down. Probably going to stop me here. Bounce up there. Need to see the 94s if possible. 93s. Nice. Need to see the 92s. Yep, about to get stopped out here. Right at the, got stopped out right there. It's all good. I'm okay with that one. Didn't have much on the day anyway. Let's see. What were you saying? AJ Trader, who taught you how to trade? Man, it was Daniel B. Daniel B taught me everything I know. Daniel B taught me everything I know. You said INDP stopped sinking. Man, that thing didn't stop sinking. That thing's going that thing is on a one-way trip. So this one did come into this area, but was not able to move out of it. Has no reason to move up. I was just looking for that break out of there. Barely broke out of there, like 507, the top. Keep. Well, yeah, I'm gonna keep it tight. Let's see. Daniel B, one life, one chance. Not like this theory. A trading intervention. Is that what you think I need? A trading intervention? But that one's done. I'm not gonna play with it anymore. Let me see who contacted me. Did I mean to do that? Okay. Where is that search? Who's in this one? Yeah. Time. All right, 15 minutes. All right, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut it down. I need to go into a meeting of what's going on in this contract, what's going on over there, because I don't know the exact issues. I know it's urgent, but I'm gonna go ahead and shut it down because I got to get to this meeting and go and make that money. But anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. I don't know. Now it seems like the Wi-Fi is straight. I don't know if it was just the morning time because I didn't change anything. So I don't know. I don't know about that. But anyway, I only took one red loser today. Or no, I took a couple of red losers. Looks like it sold the position in pieces. But about 10 cents. 10 cents down, I was out. But that's all good. Anyway, I will be back tomorrow morning to update you guys about what's going on. I don't know, man. I'm gonna have to check. I'm gonna have to check all this stuff. I don't even have that many devices on my network, so I know it's gotta be got a lot of testing to do. All right. So Daniel B. Let's see. Stress before education. Oh my gosh. I'm looking in this chat and I'm seeing absolute rubbish coming from Daniel B in One Life. Bro, do you not understand how much I get paid per contract? All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and shut it down. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. Appreciate the trash talk from DB and One Life. We saw a crazy ripper. Some of y'all took profit, you know. So yeah, that's how the day went. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Peace.